In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Constant Contact. This process is straightforward and ensures your account settings align with your local time, which is crucial for scheduling emails, managing campaigns, and overall account accuracy. So, let's dive in and walk through the steps together. We'll start on your Constant Contact dashboard. If you're on the main page, you should see this dashboard after logging into your account. Now, moving to the top right corner of this page, there's a small user icon, or perhaps your initials if you've uploaded an image. Go ahead and click on your profile. This takes you to the area where you can manage various personal settings within your account. Once you've clicked on your profile, you'll see a menu pop up. One of the options on this menu is Settings. Click on this to proceed. The Settings page is your go-to place for modifying how your account behaves and controls various options, including what we're focusing on today, the time zone. Now that you're on the Settings page, you need to scroll down until you reach the section labeled Regional Settings. This is where you'll find the specific option to manage your time zone. Next to Regional Settings, you'll notice an Edit button. Click on this button to open the settings for editing. After clicking Edit, you'll see various options related to regional settings. Locate the drop-down menu that allows you to choose your preferred time zone. Here, you can select from a list of different time zones to find the one that matches your local area. Be sure to pick the correct time zone to ensure that emails and scheduled postings display the right time for your campaigns. Once you've found and selected your time zone, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is generally at the bottom of your selection page, and click it. This ensures that all the adjustments you made are confirmed and applied to your account. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the time zone in your Constant Contact account. This adjustment helps maintain consistency and accuracy within your campaigns and communications by ensuring they align with your local time. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on using Constant Contact effectively. Have a great day.